To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
The space age began in 1957 when the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik. 12 years later, humans set foot on the moon. Since then, humans have been on a hunt for a planet capable of hosting life. This could help if Earth at some point becomes inhospitable due to human activities or an asteroid impact. But moving to another planet is far from easy. The Earth is doing a pretty good job of keeping us safe from space radiation. Our planet's atmosphere and the magnetic field keep them out. Exposure to space radiation could cause changes in the human body. It may also induce DNA damage, which could impact fertility. Another concern is offspring inheriting mutations from the parent. To determine if mutations get passed on to future generations, Japanese scientists sent mouse sperm samples to the International Space Station or the ISS. At the ISS, the radiation is more than 100 times stronger than on Earth. It gets more potent if humans venture beyond the space station. But growing human or animal cells on the ISS is complex, so the researchers sent freeze-dried samples of mouse sperm. Freeze-drying is a technique that freezes and dehydrates samples for long-term preservation. The researchers launched the freeze-dried sperm samples to the ISS in 2013. Once it reached its destination, the samples were stored at -95 degrees Celsius. Some of these samples returned home after 9 months, another few after 2 years and 9 months, and the last batch after 5 years and 10 months. At 9 months, the sperm DNA suffered some damage compared to control, but fertilization rates remained the same between the two groups. These findings were published in a 2017 study. In the next study, the team assessed the long-term impact on the sperm. Their experiments showed that sperms absorbed about 0.61 millisievert of radiation. Millisievert is a form of measurement used for radiation. Astronauts are exposed to 50 to 2000 millisieverts. For context, 1 millisievert of ionizing radiation is equal to about 3 chest X-rays, according to NASA. After measuring the radiation, the researchers rehydrated the sperm and injected them into female mice, which then delivered 8 healthy pups. The experiment suggests that freeze-drying technique seems to have given sperm samples some tolerance. The findings are published in Science Advances. This experiment is one method to study how space radiation exposure affects the next generation. However, we cannot extrapolate these results to humans. We also need to remember that conditions in the ISS are not as brutal as the deeper space. ISS orbits the low Earth, which is still under the Earth's influence. We'll need more studies for definitive answers.